Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just these hoes. Let me put my seat down a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, as you can see, I have a little special guest today. Miss Charlotte, how are you? You good? Yes? No? She said no, girl. Babies don't lie. You want to put your Patsy back? Hi. So, Minnie is babysitting, and we got to get this video any way we can. So, special guest star today. Now, I know some of you have said, like, where's your other baby? So, yeah, I do have a 7-month-old. She's 4 months. But I do have I do have a 7-month-old little baby boy. But his daddy, who's my son, said, in no way, shape, form, or fashion are we putting my baby on a video. So, we have to respect him. And her mama knows, her mother knows, my daughter, that she's in the video and, you know, it's all good. So, anyway, I'm going to try to do an unboxing if she will allow it. If not, I will tend to her and come back. But hopefully, hey girl, I'm so worried about this thing too. This chair has little grabby things that stick on the bottom. Not grabby things, but you know, it's stuck there. It's not coming out. But I do worry because I don't want her. They said these chairs are kind of dangerous, I guess. But as long as I have her, I've got her strapped in. The little grabby things won't let her go anywhere, but still it makes me nervous if she was to like lunge out. So, okay. We got some Kate Spade today, girl. Yes, we do, girl. Yes, we do. And I will tell you the story about, now I can see her in the mirror, so I don't need to, I guess I could turn forward and face you guys. But, so, yes, tell them. Poppy and I, meaning Bill, my husband, hubby and I, we were waiting on a table, and I saw this girl, younger girl, probably in her 30s, come out, and she was getting ready to leave. They paid, and I, of course, noticed her bag. And I was like, oh my gosh, that bag, I've seen it online, but I have not seen it in person until this moment, and I was hardcore checking it out, because she was kind of standing talking to the people she was with, and I was like, oh yeah, oh yeah. Boom. And so I was like, I really love that bag. And I told Bill, I said, I am going to get to the table. And when we get to this table, I'm going to go online to the Kate Spade website. And I'm ordering this bag because I've been looking at it and been looking at it. But I was kind of like, should I pull the trigger? Because I really don't have much in the way of Kate Spade anymore. I don't carry hardly any Kate Spade. But it's not that I don't like the brand. I've moved away, you know, to other things. But this, when I saw it on the girl, and she was about my size, which even sold me further because I wasn't really sure. I never can tell online what size a bag is or what size anything is really. I'm always just like, is that, okay, add the bag, you know? Is that going to work? Who cares? Let's try it out. So, at least I got to see it, and I thought that it was huge online. I kept thinking, oh, well, this is a great big tote. I know it says the measurements, but, girl, people have tried to tell me their measurements before, and they've always been wrong, if you know what I mean. So, they don't mean a hill of beans to me. I just can't compute. I know when it says, like, it's 13 by, you know, 10. I could probably compute what that looks like in my head, but until I actually see the item, I have to touch it, feel it, and see it in person to know, is that going to be good for me or whatever? Okay, so let's get on to the unboxing because I don't think Little Pooh is going to make it much longer. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal the bag first. And I, of course, in true Winnie B style, I bought every little accessory that went with it. I was just online, yes. But it was on sale. And, girl, it's part of the Pride collection So I am a couple months late to this game, but that served me well because then I got a pretty good discount. I actually went on the Kate Spade 70% off site that they have. And isn't Kate Spade now owned by Coach? So it kind of stands to reason that they've stepped up their game. I don't know. I just think the brand went a little too far away from what I dig there for a while for what I'm into. So I don't know. I would go to the outlet and be like, yeah, and then go online and check. It's okay. But, you know, just this thing blew me away. What was that sound? Yes, that's the sound we love. Unboxing girl. She scratched her little face. Okay, girl. What's Minnie got? What is it? Ooh, ooh. Bright colors, girl. Bright colors. I think she loves it. Okay, so here she is. And yes. Let's take it off of the little... Girl. What? What do you think? Is this one a win? What do you think, boo-boo? So, yes, girl, yes. I am in love. I don't know what about, like, I think even the white handles, the trim is just what's setting it off for me. It's got white on one side, and yes, girl, it's red on the other. So it is the cutest thing, and then it's inside, it's a leather as well, in red. So I had a fit when I saw the girl carrying this at the size for one, because it is a tote bag, but it's not one of those great big humongous things. And I'm not down with that. So this is like a tote bag in miniature. And I'm about that life, girl. So I love. What do you think, Char? Yes, girl. Look what Nini got. And oh, I love the purple. The shiny purple just throws it off. It's like everything's kind of matte, and then boom, you pop to that shiny purple. Oh, girl, yes. Uh-huh. You're getting vocal about it, too. So anyway, my love for the Pride collections, I guess in anything. I loved the Coach. Y'all saw me do my unboxing of what all I bought from Coach when Pride came along. Every year I try to buy something from Coach because their stuff is just so gorgeous. But this year, like, Kate Spade blew me away with their stuff. Okay, so I'm going to set that one down. Yes, girl. Let's show them another thing that we got. So, yeah, I got a few things in this collection because I just love that so much. I was like, yes, give me more. So this came directly from an actual, I guess, an outlet store. Yes, girl. But I got the little, I think it'll fit my iPad. So I got like a little keep-all or catch-all to go inside the bag. Although, wait just a second. This one does come. I didn't even show y'all this. Hold up. What? Nini's off her game today. But it does come with this little... Yes, girl. It comes with a little... Hello. I love a little tiny zippered pocket or pouch that tucks inside the bag. So, girl. So, I didn't realize that when I bought it, or maybe I did, and I just thought, I just love everything. I have to have it. So, I bought this little pouch. So, I don't know. I don't know if I really need like a pouch there and then another pouch to go inside of it. Like, does she? I'm not sure. I might send this back. I don't know. Who knows? Or maybe I'll sell it. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know at this point. What do you think, girl? Is it a win or no? You're kind of iffy about it. I don't know. Yeah, girl. Yes. I don't know. You're giving me side eye about it. I don't know then. Then I already took this out of the package. I know. Okay, so I bought this, but it's one of those short. I don't think it's a half shirt, but it's one of those. This is like crop. But I can wear this with maybe something underneath, but, or maybe just to film I can wear it, but I don't know. I love the shirt, and it really is cute because, you know, I don't have hair, and you can see the writing on the back when I wear it, so that's kind of cool. But it really matched the little pouch that went inside the bag. I'm just now noticing that, by the way. 2 more little items, and then we're going to go feed this little girl, because this up here is making me a nervous wreck. I'm afraid she's going to lunge, and this whole thing's going to come off there, and oh! Yeah, see, that stuff makes me a little nervous, a little trepidatious. Okay, so, yes, girl. I got the card holder. Yes, girl. I got that little thing because, of course, you need a card holder, and I think it was less than 20 bucks, so I said, yep, we're doing that. But it matches the little stuff. It's so cute. You want to look at it? Look at that, girl. I don't want you to put everything in your mouth, but look. Oh, yeah, it wants to go in your mouth. I know. I know, girl. One more thing. We got the phone case to match because, I don't know, I was just being extra. I like the phone case, though. I think it's super cute. I love the Kate Spade Pride collection. I'm just really into it. I think it's gorgeous. Of course, I love rainbows, so you have to know I would be all about this life. But when I saw it on that girl, that was it. I was done, gone, yes, get it. And I literally sat there and ate my breakfast and searched out everything and, yeah, bought it right then. So anyway, thank you guys for joining me today. Maybe this weekend I'll be back. I don't even know. Oh, gosh. I don't even know what I've got for you guys. I don't know. We'll do something fun, though. Oh, I'm going to go feed this little girl and get her out of this chair before Nini has a nervous wreck heart attack. Hope you guys have a great day. And listen, if y'all see my husband, ooh, girl, or Poppy, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Oh my gosh. Charlotte. Nobody puts baby in a corner. No, girl. No. Okay. You're going to be okay. Yeah. That's a good one.